They say that the best plaintiff's attorneys are former defense attorneys.
These are all three of our former defense attorneys that have now switched sides and come work for us.
For me, strictly as a defense, probably about 15 or 18 years.
25. It's a lot of defense years.
The big difference, I think, is the amount of client communication that you have and the relationships that you build with your clients, which I actually look forward to, and I enjoy trying to be that person.
I was working in the defense firm as panel counsel, and I lost position basically as part of the pandemic, and took an administrative position for a couple of years, but then I missed practicing.
I've settled in. I thought people might be nervous that I wasn't going to stay because I wasn't decorating my office.
And I had identified this firm because I had cases on the other side with it. It had said that if I was ever to go into a plaintiff's practice, that I would like to work for this firm. They had a position. Stars aligned, and here I am.
I joined the CTLA, which I was never allowed to be a member of before, the Trial Lawyers Association, because they don't allow defense attorneys in. You have to say that you're primarily a plaintiff attorney. So for 25 years I was not allowed in, and now I've joined that. So I feel like I'm a real plaintiff's attorney.
When I did have those cases with significant client contact, I always enjoyed trying to help people through, because it's tough for defendants too on that side to go through the process of litigation. It's not fun for everybody, but ultimately you're trying to always get the right result and the best result.